So I hope you all enjoyed that look around at the All British Show. It was an absolutely fantastic show once again, and a big thank you to all the staff behind the scenes, the stewards, the judges, for getting that show up and running, and it just felt like it went seamlessly. It was a brilliant day. There didn't seem to be any hiccups from the perspective of an exhibitor, and it was very much enjoyed. There was nearly 750 birds in the show. There was nearly, I would have suggested, about 100 soft bills, which is fantastic, of all different varieties: starlings, ringoozles, different types of thrushes, marsh tits, all sorts of things. So it was really great to see that, and there was quite a good Norwich cohort in there as well. So anyway, shall we see how I got on with my showing results? So I came away from the All British Show with 3 special awards. So we won Best Novice Adult, Best Novice Normal Adult Hard-Billed Cockbird, and Best Novice Unflighted Mule. So of course, the Greenfinch won once again. It got pipped to the Best Novice Award by Davy Hunt Siskin, which, can I just say, an absolutely stunning Siskin cockbird. So big congratulations to Davy for winning that one. I actually, I don't really know how to say this. It's sort of a, well, it's just a Siskin mule, but it's a bit of a weird coloured one, I guess to say. But either way, 2 really nice birds. We won some lovely rosettes as well, so let's take a closer look at them. The rest of my show team did really quite well. A lot of them came first, second or third in their classes. One particular one I'm really pleased with is one of my young red poles came second in its class of, I think it was 13 or 14 birds. So I was really pleased with that result. I was competing with, I think, 15 other novices, which is quite a large novice cohort, to be quite honest. So if you are a novice and you're thinking of showing your birds, please come along. There's some excellent competition to be had at shows up and down the country. So don't forget, one of the next shows is the Beaumaris and District CBS show on the 6th of January. Now I'm hoping to make the trip into Wales for that, but I'm not sure yet. Hopefully I'll be there, and the next specialist show will be the Staffordshire British Bird and Mule Club on the 14th of January, which I'll definitely be going to. That's a fantastic show, usually quite a good cohort of British birds there, and it's a really good show because it's in the new year. It's the first of the new year, and especially through December into January, the birds seem to really improve, especially the current year birds. I've got some birds here that will be making the show bench at the Staffordshire that haven't yet this season, so that's something for us to look forward to, and we'll see how we get on. Anyway, everyone, that's it from me for this week's episode from OC Aviary. So if you have enjoyed today, please make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any more future content. Smash a like on it if you have enjoyed it, and make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for daily updates and behind the scenes footage of all of our birds. Now, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.